Slat offers a T-handle for your feed bin transfer plate. This handle is made of zinc-coated steel and replaces the chain to make opening and closing the transfer plate much easier. The handle is designed with notches spaced 1.5 inches apart, allowing you to lock in the desired position for your feed opening. To install, slide the transfer plate open and remove the existing chain. Using vice grips, clamp the transfer plate to the transfer plate cover, making certain to align the center chain slot in the plate with the center hole in the plate cover. Use a 7/16 steel drill bit to drill a hole through the center of the transfer plate, turning that original slot into a round hole. Remove the vice grips and slide the plate forward of the cover to give yourself some room to work. Insert the T-handle into the center hole of the transfer plate cover and screw a 3/8 inch nut to its end, followed by a washer. Insert this end into the hole you just drilled into the transfer plate and secure it in place with another washer and nut. Tighten both nuts down with a wrench and you're all done. Eliminate the struggle of opening and closing transfer plates with our T-handle. You can purchase yours at any Slat store or visit our website at www.hogslat.com.